Hey guys, welcome back. In our channel, I make healthy substitutions to avoid processed food and cook tasty and delicious recipes to stay healthy and fit. So consider subscribing if you are new here. And just wanted to take a second to mention that today's recipe is made with quinoa and vegetables with low glycemic index and more nutrient to make our meal very healthy and diabetic friendly, gluten free and vegan. So what else is required to stay healthy and fit? So now let's get into the video and check out our recipe without wasting any time. To start with our recipe, here I have taken 2 medium-sized boiled sweet potatoes, 1 bell pepper and 1 grated carrot, 1 inch of ginger sliced or chopped finely, and 1 medium-sized onion chopped and handful of cilantro. Here I have also taken 1.5 cups of cooked quinoa. This quinoa is whole grain and gluten free with high protein and fiber, but with very less amount of carbohydrates. Moreover, this quinoa has a low glycemic index and can improve metabolic health by reducing blood sugar and insulin and triglyceride levels. Now take a mixing bowl and here I am adding this boiled sweet potato. Here I peel them and I'm smashing the boiled sweet potatoes with the fork. If you don't have sweet potatoes, you can add normal potatoes also in this, but I prefer using sweet potatoes because the sweet potatoes have low glycemic index when compared to normal potatoes. Moreover, these sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants and fiber. So here, after smashing the sweet potatoes, I'm adding 1 bell pepper that is sliced into small cubes. Now add 1 medium-sized grated carrot and 1 medium-sized chopped onions and 1 inch of ginger that is chopped into very small chunks like this. Now add handful of chopped cilantro. After adding all these vegetables, here I am adding around 1.5 cups of cooked quinoa. Here this quinoa, I washed this thoroughly and soaked it for 30 minutes and cooked with 1:1.5 ratio of water in a pressure cooker. Now here I am adding 1/4 spoon of black pepper powder and half a spoon of amchur powder, half a spoon of cumin powder, half a spoon of turmeric powder, half a spoon of red chilli powder. If you don't like red chilli powder, you can avoid it, and salt as per taste. Here I am adding half a cup of rice flour to this. This is just as a binding to mix all the vegetables and quinoa. Here I am mixing this after adding rice flour without adding any water. Just the water from the vegetables is enough to mix this into fine batter like this. We can also add a finger millet flour in place of rice powder. So here finally this batter is mixed well. Now grease the hand with a little amount of oil and take a small lemon sized ball and make into patties like this here as shown in the video. In our recipe today, we added all the vegetables with the low glycemic index and with loads of fiber and water content. This way we can make very healthy meals without compromising with taste. Moreover, this way it is very easy to make kids eat healthy food without making any fuss. Now continue the process until the entire batter is formed into patties like this. Here you can see all the patties are ready. So now keep them aside and now take a pan and heat it and grease it with a little amount of oil. Here I added just 2 spoons of oil and I'm allowing the pan to heat on medium flame. After the pan is heated, transfer patties one after the other carefully and allow them to fry on a medium flame. Here today I am shallow frying these patties just to make them very healthy. If you want to deep fry, you can also deep fry them, but There is no necessity of deep frying these patties because this shallow frying itself gives very tasty and delicious patties. After a few minutes, these patties are well fried, so try flipping them and fry them on the other side also on a medium flame. Here you can see I'm flipping all the patties and allowing them to fry. After 5 to 6 minutes, the patties will be fried on the second side also. Now here you can see I'm flipping this and checking if they are fried well. Here our patties are fried on both sides very well. So now carefully transfer them to the serving plate and serve them while they are hot. So friends, try making this healthy, tasty, diabetic friendly, gluten free and vegan patties and do comment how you like them. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. Here you can see this patty is well fried on both sides and this is also cooked inside. Believe me, these are really delicious and kids would love them to enjoy. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.